Well, good morning, everybody. I'm out here by the ash piles, and I'm going to work today on getting some more of these stacks built up so I can stack some more ash in it. I've got some pallets placed already. I got to get some structure on top of it and to get the spanning 2x6s across the spans to build a cover. So I'm going to work on these two cord areas right in this area, and then I'm going to add some more this way. I've got my tractor here. We got some supplies, some old decking from an old deck project or tore apart deck project. We got some tools in the carry-all, chainsaw, drill, screws, level, hat and gloves because it's in the 30s, cloudy. It's a decent day, it's not bad. Good fall weather, actually winter weather, no snow on the ground, so that's good. So take you along for the ride and let you see what I'm working on today. Alrighty, so the first step is to make sure that this upright is level. Right now it's kind of off level a little bit, so I got my level. Got a old chunk of 2x6 that actually was from a deck, but the angles are right, so I'm just going to screw that right on there. Run some screws in here first. Put her some right here. I feel like it's got to go that way a little bit. So. Okay. A couple more screws up here. Alright, that's perfect. These pallets on the bottom are nice. Most of the time I try to put a hardwood pallet, an oak pallet of some sort. That way it doesn't rot as fast. Put the uprights, these are some pine or maybe a popple pallet. Alright, sturdy. Put some wood on there and that'll never move. Cut this off. Chainsaw. Good enough? There. Level. Good to go. Okay, next is so I got the pallets level down there. Next I need to lay a 2x6 on the horizontal, and then I stand 2x6s on end. to get that extra distance needed to make this a full 48 inches plus, maybe about 50 inches tall, to account for shrinkage when the wood dries. So I like to get a little bit taller than 4 feet. So yeah, got some 40-inch long 2x6s. I need 6 of them to cover those 2 up there. There was a nail come out of this existing pallet here, and I didn't even see it. It's a sharpenette chain. Good thing this cedar's not that hard. Can still cut it pretty easily. Try to make it so that these vertical ones, that the weight's going to be sitting on it right over top of the pallet, so not the full 6 inches wide or 5.5 inches wide. Set her in on top of the existing pallet here. Making sure it's roughly centered. Alright, on to the next one. Avoid that. Okay, so I just went and did an inventory of my long 2x6s from the old deck project, tear it apart, and these are probably 14 to 16 feet long. I've got a total of 12 long ones left. So that'll get me 4 more, or including these two more full cord sections of stacking this ash. So that's okay. That'll probably get me almost to that pine trees where I want to stop on this particular row anyways. So we're good to go there. The next step then will be to get something to cover it. I don't have any material to cover the wood for now, but at least I'll have the structure there. So if I can get some material, some old steel or something to cover it, then we'll be good to go. But we'll cut these up and get them installed. So we got our got a couple more cord ready to be stacked and a couple more slots. You can see we got the joist hanging from the top, ready to receive this pile of wood that's sitting here. Just got to get some cover material for it, and then we should be good to go. So that should be about all for today. I'm going to probably work on a couple more stacks here, but for this video, that's all you really need to see. The whole thing. We'll get it covered someday. But until next time, you guys be safe, be good, be happy, be fun. Crazy world out there, so just take it easy and keep her moving, as Charlie Barons would say. So we'll see you next time. Thank you.